What's going on, guys? I'm Austin with WolfPac-Outdoors. Welcome back. Today's a huge day. We're down here at 4-Wheel Camper. We're about to get the biggest upfit, the best upfit that we can possibly do for Everest. And this is what everything else has been leading up to. Let's go. What's up, guys? So this is a first look at the 4-Wheel Camper Hawk Flatbed. And if you guys like this video so far, go ahead and tap the like button down below, leave a comment, and tell me about your 4-wheel camper and where you think we should go next. So being down here at 4-Wheel Camper is extremely inspiring. These guys are super passionate about what they do and what they provide. And today, they're providing us with the legacy memories that we can take with us and build on for years to come. What a day down here at 4-Wheel Camper. I've gotten to meet some amazing people, and we're super stoked to have them part of the WolfPac family. It's been a long time coming. It was one of those dreams that pushed the boundaries of what I thought could be accomplished in the reality that I held for myself. It was almost like I was too scared to go outside of my comfort zone and to reach for something bigger and higher. And the reason why I was doing this is so much more powerful than any other reason I could think of to not do it. And in the process of making this dream, we've also created bigger and greater dreams to follow. Today has been filled with emotions. The install process has been magnificent. These guys have treated me with the utmost respect, just like family. Today is huge. It gives us so much more opportunity to take my family to see new things in a safe environment. And for us, that's what we need. We have a daughter who's had medical issues since 5 months old. And it's been extremely difficult for us. And right now, we're doing everything we possibly can to enrich our children's lives, to create the legacy memories that they can take with them for a lifetime. Take care.